my channel. For this video, I am going to make a haul. I always see this company. This basket is huge. It's called Grove Collaborative, and I always see it online. I always wonder, like, what's, I know they sell different brands of cleaning cleaning supplies, and I was always so curious to make an order. So I finally did, and it came yesterday. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna open it with you. So let's see. The first thing I'm gonna tell you, the box smells amazing. So yes. Okay, this is this little pamphlet. Paper. As you can tell, I haven't opened the box. And let's see. This is dishwasher detergent pack, and I chose the scent lemon, eucalyptus, and mint. So it looks like that. This is the antibacterial toilet cleaner. Oh, I was running out of this just in time. We have some ultra absorbent paper towels for the kitchen. Always good to have. This is a peppermint bar soap made with organic coconut and olive oils. Let's see how this smells. Oh my god, look at it. Looks so good. It smells good. Yes. So I have a question now. Wait, is this for the bath or for the kitchen? The best all natural ingredients you want in the long lasting bar soap you need. Oh, it's for your body. So the next thing we have here is this glass spray bottle with silicone sleeve. A better way to clean. Do you know that most cleaning products are over 95% water? Fill this beautiful reusable spray bottle with any of our ultra effective cleaning concentrates for reduced waste and serious cleaning power. Ooh. Is it glass? Oh yes, okay. So this is the one I need to keep away from Grace. This is a glass bottle, so you currently can put the solution there, put water, and then you have clean supplies. This is the Method Antibac Bathroom Cleaner in the scent Spearmint. This is good. We have ultra soft bath tissue. It's always handy. Let's see how it performs. That's the real question. Okay. Wait. Okay, I'm taking this today. I'm leaving for New York today, so I needed a makeup remover wipe, so I'm taking this one. Good. So this this is from the brand Rooted Beauty. It's a purifying facial toilet with white tea and calendula. So that's the facial tissues. This is like a gift set they sent me here. So we have a vanilla and sandalwood candle. It looks like that. Let's see how it smells. Oh, yes. We have ultra soft tissues, 100% sustainable bamboo and sugar cane. Those are like, flu season is coming up, so I know where I'm gonna use this. I always get sick, and my daughter always gets sick, and my boyfriend always gets sick, so good thing to have. This is the solution for this is the glass cleaner. It's orange and rosemary. Excited to use that. This is a walnut and cellulose scrubber and sponge. Oh, there's two sponges. Always good to have some sponges around. And this is the cleaning caddy they just sent as a gift. And last but not least, the other day I went to Target. I think this is bigger than the one I bought on Target. Anyhow, I decided to get the dish soap and hand soap on the same set, so I have the whole collection. So that's it. That's all I got at Grove Clarif. And on and all, I only paid like 30 something bucks. I'm gonna link below the promotion they have going on right now. You get all of this just for 30 something dollars, and it comes so fast. It came like in 3-4 days, which is amazing. Like I said, I'm going to link the promotion they have going on down below so you can check it out. And it's a good deal if you want to try more earth conscious cleaning supplies. I'm on that kick, so I thought it was amazing. What else? Make sure to follow me on my social media. I'm gonna link it down below. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of content coming up. If you notice, the camera quality and the lighting quality is better because I invested in some stuff, because I am determined to make more content. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Insta. Yes, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.